Good day everyone. Welcome to my blog. I am Mardi Ikibal. In this blog, I will going to share the 5 Kagjanon uncommonly words with his meaning and examples. And now, I will going to start. The first word is bagting. Bagting is pretend ringing a bell with hand. Example, the bagting of the church bell reminded to everyone that it was afternoon now. The second word is alimpulus. Spin hand in a circle showing whirlwind. Example, the clothes on the line were scattered because of an alimpulus. And the third word is hungus. Foot finger on lips like this. Act like whispering to a friend. And the fourth word is balhibuon. The balhibuon word is from like our skin, balhibuon. Or pretend to touch hairy hair, fruit, or arm, showing hairy. The fifth word is duyug. Walk inside in a classmate, showing going along. The fifth is duyug, which means to accompany or go along with someone. Example, Anna said she will duyug her friend going to the market. And that's all. That's the five uncommonly Kagjanan. And that's the 5 Kagjanan uncommonly words. And thank you. And see you in my next vlog.